morning, class. I just wanted to give you some idea of what you're doing in the lab today. My verbal instructions are hopefully okay, but I wanted to run through it for those of you who would just like to hear me explain it. So, there's a couple of things on the agenda today. I'm just going to log out of Desire to Learn so I can show you how to log in. The first step is you need to go to Desire to Learn. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff in careers in D2L, so you're just going to have to use it. Maybe you've used it in other courses. What you're going to do is you're going to type in the same login information that you would use to sign into a school computer. So whatever you use to sign into the computer on in the lab is what you're going to log in here. So I've got my student number, I don't have any at OCDSB, and then I have my normal password. And of course you have to type it correctly or else bad things happen. And I was a victim of caps lock. So, when you get to the course, yours will look a little bit different than mine, but on the right-hand side you should see Miss Anderson's careers course, so over there on the right-hand side. And on the splash page, there's everything that you need to do right here, so you don't have to navigate in here. Don't worry about it. It will look a little bit different if it's you, so I'm just going to show you how that looks right now. So you have those two options, but here's what you need to do. So finish your midterm learning skills evaluation.
Good morning. Would Mr. Gruber call 174, please? Mr. Gruber, 174. Thank you.
Mr. Gruber needs to call 174. So finish your midterm learning skills evaluation. If you haven't done it by now, it's too late for it to be done on your report card because your report cards are being done today. But this is still relevant to careers. So you need to do it and hand it in. The major task for today is going to be going through these little learning activities. And the links are all here. So when you click on one, it opens in a new tab. And you can load the audio if you brought your headphones or you remembered. You can also get headphones from the librarian if you want to listen. I sometimes find the audio a little bit annoying, so you can make your decision. Each task has the choice between audio or no audio if you want. So you're going to go through those four. They might be more quiz style, like trying to find something about yourself, or they might be more information style. So you're going to have a sheet tomorrow where you're going to like record your information, and it should be pretty like understandable of what you need to do from that sheet. The last bit of the class is doing some activities on my personal GPS. The results from this are part of your summative task, so you need to do it. When you load it up, it's going to take you to a different page. And you'll click New Game. The one thing with this is you save your results as you go, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. But I'm just showing you what it would be like if it was a new game. So you're going to click through. You're going to try and rate yourself based on the different learning skills. You should have done this already in the midterm evaluation, so you should have an idea of what you think. So anyway, I'm just ballparking things. And then you can go through the different activities. So if I want to do a collaboration activity, there's 3 there. If I want to do an independent initiative activity, I can do that here. So you can go through the different activities. You won't get through, obviously, all of them today, but pick a couple of activities, and throughout the thing you can see which ones you've done. The idea is throughout the course you're going to do all or most of them. And if you save your work, the next time you go into my personal GPS, you can just resume your game. So, hopefully that helps. On Friday, we're going to be playing around in career cruising, so if you don't get this done in class, it's expected that you get it done for homework or sometime between now and then. All of this information will be expected of you to know for your summative tasks. So we're not just going to forget about it and not talk about it ever again. So you need to do the sheet, but feel free to work together if you want to like collaborate to make the tasks a little bit easier, especially for those information ones. You can share your sheets. Just make sure that you get your own results for the survey style things. So hopefully that helps. If you need any help, ask your supply teacher. If you need real help, like super urgent help, shoot me an email. I'll try to answer it, but I'm away from the computer for part of the day tomorrow, so I'll do the best that I can. So have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.